Hello everybody! Today's tutorial is dedicated to masking in Blender. So let's go. Draw mask paint with M key and unmask it by hold Control key. To draw straight and controlled lines, use Shift and S keys to activate the stroke option, or go to Stroke tab. Draw the mask line with the L key and flip it with the F key, or hold Control for graded rotation. The Shift plus A keys for drawing circular masking are based on topology, and for unmasking it after pressing Shift plus A again, we use the Alt plus F keys. For a rectangular mask, we use the B key, and to unmask it, we hold down the Shift key. Then repeat the previous steps for a uniform mask. The lasso mask is done with the Shift-Alt keys, and to remove the mask, hold Control. You can also turn on Stabilize Stroke in the Tool tab for better control. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to support this channel.